Hey Carb Dodgers, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to have a look at a keto mug cake. Not a mud cake, a mug cake. Very chocolatey and keto friendly. So to make it, you're going to need an egg, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I'm using Lakanto or monk fruit sugar, a tablespoon of cocoa, a tablespoon of butter, and we'll just melt that in the microwave to start with. I've got some vanilla, which is optional. Also some keto or sugar-free chocolate chips. Again, they're optional. And mug. So I'll take my dry ingredients. So I'll get the coconut flour, cocoa powder, the baking powder, the sweetener, give that a little whiz around. Away. Then I've got some melted butter, so I'll get that in there. Again, you can do it not melted, but it just makes it easier to stir. Get my egg, in she goes. Okay, now just give it a good old stir. So get my vanilla essence, just give it a little dollop of that. Just a few choc chips in there. And give it a good old stir. Now the next step is to get that into the microwave. So we'll get that in for 60 seconds. So there we have it, the chocolate bud cake or mug cake. As you can see, it is pretty much like a chocolate sponge pudding. So what I typically do is then put that into a bowl, add some fresh cream or some keto ice cream, and enjoy. So thank you so much for watching. My name's been Alan. You can find me at carbsurvivor.com. I've got a playlist on my channel dedicated to super treats like this. You can, if you subscribe, you can find that playlist and follow along with all the goodies. Like I've got a pizza recipe on there, some keto brownies, some French fries, all sorts of good stuff that are great low carb options when you're trying to cut back on the carbs, but still maintain the will to live. So I look forward to seeing you there. Please do feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, please feel free to drop a like. If you do try it, I'd love to hear some feedback. If you could pop a comment below, just let me know if you're gonna try it. If you have tried it, did you like it? Did you think it was no good? Whatever you like. So there you go, you take care, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers, bye.